Good morning, and welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes, joined by financial expert Eli Sterling. We've got a packed agenda, from the latest in crypto markets to key stock movements, plus some compelling political developments in New York. Eli, let's dive right in. How are we seeing the crypto markets shaping up today?
Thanks, Maya. The crypto landscape is quite telling right now. Bitcoin is hovering around $104,000. But we're seeing a consistent bearish trend on both daily and weekly indicators. The buy-hold-sell indicator is flashing strong blue signals, with both short-term and long-term moving averages declining. That suggests continued downward pressure.
And what about altcoins? There's chatter online about the pain in altcoin portfolios. Can you give us a quick read on Solana and Ethereum specifically?
Absolutely. Solana is sitting around $163, but again, the indicators paint a cautious picture. The zero-lag moving average is declining, and we're seeing a bearish crossover in the Stochastic Relative Strength Index. Ethereum isn't faring much better. Price action below the zero-lag moving average, and the moving average convergence divergence histogram shows accelerating bearish momentum. These are not signs of strength, but rather consolidation or correction phases within a larger downtrend.
Let's pivot to something more traditional. NVIDIA has been a powerhouse in the AI space. What are we seeing on the 4-hour chart?
Well, NVIDIA is showing a textbook downtrend. We've had a series of lower highs and lower lows, with dead cat bounces lacking volume. The recent candle closed higher, but it's still below the bearish order block at $200. Until we break above that resistance, the trend remains bearish.
Turning to politics, there's growing skepticism around Zoran Mamdani's ambitious promises for New York. He's pledging rent freezes, free transit, universal childcare, all without raising taxes. Is that feasible?
Maya, it sounds great politically, but economically? Highly questionable. He's acknowledging that real estate taxes must come down to make rent freezes viable. But with 30% of rent tied to those taxes, and New York facing a $20 billion budget gap, the math doesn't quite add up. The business community is wary, and with good reason.
Interesting stuff. Before we wrap, Eli, any standout technical setups worth watching for tomorrow?
Keep an eye on Bitcoin's reaction around $103,000. That's key support. If it breaks, we can see a retest of $99,000. For stocks, watch NVIDIA's behavior near $200. A breakout there could shift sentiment quickly. Otherwise, expect more sideways action across both markets.
Thanks, Eli. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned for more market insights and analysis. I'm Maya Keynes. See you next time.